Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning March 21st to the 27th, 2022 in my memory planner using this Mother's Day kit from the PlannerPixieCo. I paired it with some rose foil from SBC and some rose gold underlace from Planner Hannah and some rose gold overlays from Happy Sticker Designs. I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs, so if you want 15% off of your order, use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off of your order. She has kits, a bunch of foil and all that good stuff. So anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So this was the week of Mother's Day in the UK, and it was also my first Mother's Day with my baby, which I was excited for. You'll see I basically do the whole base before I add the mama underlays from Planner Hannah because I didn't have them in yet, but I kind of wanted to lay the base down and I didn't want to skip a week, so I laid it down and then put the mama overlays later on. I don't know if I did it on camera or not, you guys will see. But anyways, I'm going to continue on with the questions I have been doing. I think my next question was number 40, so that question was, what is one guilty pleasure you enjoy too much to give up? And if you're watching this video, I'm sure you know what it is, but a guilty pleasure, I'm not really guilty about it, but my guilty pleasure that I have that I'm not really willing to give up is my love for planning and stickers and all this stuff. I just love it so much, and it's a way for me to like express myself, and I love looking back at my old planners and looking back at memories, especially now that I have my son. I have a memory planner for him, so I like looking back at it to see when he started doing certain things, and I'm looking forward to showing him when he's older. And I plan on next year doing more of a scrapbook type memory planner for him where I add lots of pictures, so you know I can see his growth. But anyways, that was an easy question. The next question is, what is something that you are gifted at? I feel like I've done these questions before, but if I have, I'm sorry. I think I'm very gifted at maths. That is like one subject I was always good at without really trying. And also I'm really good at doing hair, my own hair and other people's hair. If I see someone do a hairstyle, I can just kind of mimic it myself. So I think that's something I would say I'm gifted at. Next question, what is the first movie you remember seeing? The first movie I remember seeing is Dr. Dolittle. I have like a memory of my dad taking me and my cousins to the cinema to go watch it. So that's the first movie I can really remember watching. As you can see on the screen, I kind of went a little bit ham with all the Happy Sticker Designs overlays because I just love them so much, and I was so excited. It was my first Mother's Day, so I kind of basically used all of them, and I'm not mad at it. Next question, what do you like about your home? I definitely have answered these questions. Let's see. Next one, what time do you usually get up in the morning? I usually, because of my baby, I wake up out of the bed around 7-8 a.m. because that's when he's kind of up and active. Anyways, let's start for the day by day. So in the sidebar, I use this PMD stickers Mother's Day sticker to note that in the sidebar, and I added some of the SPC bows. I then used this Bella Planella maternity leave sticker and a week 5 script from PMD stickers to note I was on week 5 of my maternity leave. So starting with Monday, I marked being really tired with this sleep mask icon from the foil bundle. I then marked waking up early with the alarm clock icon from there. Ooh, I did use a lot of PlannerPixieCo foil as well in this, so that icon is from PlannerPixieCo, and I put the foil over the icon in the kit. Then use this vanilla character from Papershire to note that Malik was with my brother and with my uncle script from Planner Hannah. I use this teacup icon from the kit to note having like a relaxing day this day. Use a planner icon from a Caress Plus foil bundle to note a Plan With Me binge. So I used a bunch of different rose gold foil in this spread. I used a YouTube play button from SBC and a YouTube binge script from Make Plans to note a YouTube binge. I used a spoon and fork icon from SBC to note getting some Nando's. I then noted binge watching Dexter with the TV icon from the kit. And I used the foldable box from the kit also. So inside the foldable box, I noted that Malik was fussy with this glam planner sticker and a Malik fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. I then marked giving him lots of cuddles with this sticker plan go mum and baby sticker and a Malik cuddles custom script from Randy.plans. On to Tuesday, I noted my husband had driving with a car icon from PlannerPixieCo. I then noted having a lazy day with this pajama top sticker from the deco from the kit and a lazy day script from SBC. And then noted that Malik was sitting in his like bouncer chair with this chair from Planner Hannah. I noted that he was doing some tummy time and playing in his baby June with this like crawling baby from PMD stickers. I used the play outside script from SBC and cut off the outside bit and then wrote in June. I then used a planner from the kit to note another Plan With Me binge. And then I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from Carly Plans and a YouTube binge script from Mick Plans. I then noted binge watching more Dexter with a TV icon from SBC. I noted that Malik was really hungry and feeding a lot with this breastfeeding sticker from What's My Love. And then I noted that he had a good sleep with this like baby mobile icon from Planner Hannah. And then I noted that my husband was playing video games with this Mick Plans duo of a video game script and a boy gaming character. I'm sure you notice I use a lot of Mick Plans stickers. I'm a very big fan of her shop. On to Wednesday, I have an extender on this day. So in the top, I noted that my husband had driving again with a car icon from SBC. I then noted being tired with a pillow icon also from SBC. I noted being home alone. I'm sure it wasn't my first time. I stopped knowing it now because I'm always home alone. But yeah. Ooh. I'll be back. The next thing I marked was getting some takeout with a burger icon from the kit and foil bundle. I then noted a Plan With Me binge using a cloud runner icon from SBC. And then I used another SBC icon to note taking some planning pics. I used a camera for that. Then I noted doing some planning with a stick with a PlanCo squid sticker and a planning time script from SBC. I don't know if it was memory planning or not, probably it was. Then did some budgeting. I used a wallet sticker from the PlannerPixieCo kit. I noted cuddling with Malik with this stick with the PlanCo baby and mum sticker and a Malik cuddles custom script from Randy.plans. I then noted Malik cuddling with his dad with this PMD stickers, dad and baby sticker. The cuddle script is from SBC and the with Papa custom script is from Tilly Journals. Then I noted watching some more Dexter with a TV icon from a Caress Press kit. I noted my husband playing some video games with this Mick Plans duo with the boy gaming icon and then the video game script. Then noted having a tough time and a rough night with this sticker from Stick with the Blanket. That is the first half of the week. Moving on to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I used this Fox and Cactus sticker to note that I bought a baby wearing wrap this day. I then noted that my husband had driving lessons with this SBC car icon. I noted, so I used the wrong sticker. So the shopping bag icon was meant to note me buying the wearer, and then the fox sticker was meant to note me wearing him. And then I marked it in this order because the sticker was bigger, but I forgot when I was writing it down, so I marked it wrong. But the shopping bag says I wore Malik, but that was meant to note buying the wrap. I bought it on Amazon and it came, I bought it in at midnight on Amazon and it came that morning. Anyways, then I used a heart icon from SBC and a family time script from Caress Press to note some family visits. I then noted another Plan With Me binge with a sticker icon from the SBC foil bundle. I noted doing some more planning with this stick with a planker squidge in some washi rolls and a planning script from Caress Press. You might have said planning time and I cut off the time. Next, I noted my husband playing more video games with another Make Plans duo. I noted having a family cuddle sesh with a custom script from Make Plans and then the custom family sticker from Teddy Plans, I think it's called. On to Friday. So on Friday I noted waking up early with an alarm clock icon from SBC. I noted pumping milk with this pump sticker from Papershire. And then I noted that Malik had to get a vaccination with a stick with a PlanCo nurse with a needle sticker. Next I noted watching Bel Air with a TV icon from SBC. I noted that Malik was super sleepy, obviously from after the injection, so I used this baby sleeper in a crib sticker from Beneath His Creation to note that. Then noted wearing him with a What's With Love sticker because I was giving him all the love because he was a bit sad from his injections. Then use a TV icon from the PlannerPixieCo to note binge watching Snowfall. I use a Carly Plans YouTube play button and a YouTube binge script from Make Plans to note a YouTube binge. And then, so when I mark YouTube binge, it's usually with my husband and we're not watching anything planner related, obviously. And that's why I distinguish YouTube binge and Plan With Me binge, if you were ever wondering. Then I noted a Plan With Me binge with this washi tape icon from Caress Press. I then noted doing some more planning with a planner icon from Papershire and a planning time script from SBC. I noted getting some takeout with these chips icons from SBC foil bundle. And then I noted watching some Teen Wolf with a TV icon from Caress Press. I noted being in my feelings with this sad crying girl from Fox and Cactus and in my feelings script from SBC. And then I noted that Malik was feeding a lot and super hungry with this Once More With Love breastfeeder sticker. On to Saturday. So at the top of Saturday, I noted being super duper tired with this bed icon from the foil bundle from SBC. I noted that I had a backache, so the heart icons to note that my mum rubbed some deep heat into my back and kind of gave me a massage, and then under that I marked having the backache with this Once More With Love icon in Munchkin. I noted that Malik was super fussy this day with this Grandparent sticker and a Malik fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. I noted that my nephew went back home this day with a plain icon from, I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't tell you. I don't know if it's on one of the foil bundles. I don't know where I would have a foiled plain sticker, so it might have been from a foil bundle to note that he went. I then noted eating some kebab with this knife and fork icon from the SBC foil bundle. I noted Malik playing with this baby girl sticker from Planner Hannah and a playtime script from what's it called? Carly Plans. It's a custom, I believe, or he might have been in a shop, who knows. Then noted that Malik had some time with his dad with this Papershire sticker and a daddy time custom script from Naturallyads Plans. Into the middle half of Saturday, I noted Malik was having some tummy time with this Paper Dolls Co sticker and a tummy time fun custom script for Make Plans. I noted my husband was playing more video games with another Make Plans duo, and then I used a TV icon from SBC to note that we were watching Temptation Island. Next, I noted binge watching Teen Wolf with a TV icon from SBC. That was the show I was watching these next couple of weeks, I believe. Then noted pumping with this pump sticker from Papershire, and then I noted my husband feeding Malik with bottle with this bottle sticker from Musical Studio and a with Papa custom script from Tilly Journals. Finally, on to Sunday. So at the top of Sunday, I marked that it was daylight savings with our alarm clock icon from SBC and a daylight savings ends script from Rose Colour Days. I then used a star icon from the foil bundle to note that I was well rested. Thank God. Noted that I still had a backache with the same munchkin from What's More With Love. Next, I noted that it was my first Mother's Day with this Pink Diamond PlannerCo mum and baby sticker, and a Happy Mother's Day script from Rose Colour Days, and then I just wrote first in the box. I then noted that I was really thirsty, which happens when I'm breastfeeding. I get super thirsty, so I used this drink icon from the foil bundle to note that. I noted getting some gifts with this this vanilla sticker from Papershire, the Mother's Day sheet, and then a time for gifts script from SPC. I noted more pumping with this Papershire vanilla sticker. Next, I noted having some cuddles with my baby with the Stick with a Panko girl and a Malik Snuggles custom script from Plans. I then noted watching more Teen Wolf with this Netflix icon from either Caress Press or the PlannerPixieCo foil bundle. Both of them have that in there, I believe, because Teen Wolf was on Netflix. That's what I was watching on. Then I noted watching Dexter with a TV icon from the kit. And then what marked my husband playing some more video games with this Make Plans duo once again. Then I noted Malik having a good night's sleep with this baby mobile sticker from Planner Hannah. So that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what you thought of this spread for my first Mother's Day. So if you haven't already, no, I already said that. Anyway, so I'm going to let you guys watch me do a bit of a wiggle and show you what was left of the kit, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.